I redesigned this Iman Gadzhi thumbnail for the tutorial purpose. Here's the before, here's the after. In this video, I will explain everything layer by layer in Photoshop. So hi, my name is Yasin Arafat and I am a thumbnail designer. So let's get started. First, create a new document.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
1920 by 1080, resolution 300 pixel. Go to file menu and choose place embedded. Remove background from this image. I use pen tool because pen tool is the best tool for remove background. Path is ready. Press Ctrl or Command Enter for create a selection and create a layer mask. Go to select and mask for refined edge.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And make sure decontaminate colors, select and press OK. Go to file menu and choose place embedded. Go to adjustment layer and choose brightness and contrast. Reduce brightness value, keep around -50 and increase contrast value. Again go to adjustment layer and choose solid color. Change the blending mode normal to hue. Take a rectangular tool and draw a rectangular. Take a ellipse tool and draw a ellipse. Hold Alt and drag for a copy.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Change the ellipse color. Press Ctrl J for duplicate and select the under layer and go to filter menu and choose Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur if around 8. Create a new layer. Change the blending mode normal to linear dodge. Take a brush tool and choose color and click on twice. Reduce opacity keep around 60%. Press Ctrl D and resize the layer. Again, same method. Go to filter menu, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur keep around 8. Change the blending mode normal to linear dodge at and reduce opacity. Select background layer and go to filter menu and choose blur and Gaussian blur. Gaussian blur give around 6. Take a type tool. I use this font, Helvetica name. Follow this setting. Fast forward because your time is valuable. Right click and choose blending option. Follow this process.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Right click and copy layer style. Right click and paste layer style and change the stock color. Our thumbnail is almost ready. We need to choose the first layer and press Ctrl Alt Shift and E to make a layer for final color correction. Right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter menu and choose Camera Raw Filter. You need to play with this setting because you guys using different cameras and you have different thumbnails, so color correction should be different every one of you, and all this color correction should be different. So when you are done the color correction, just press OK and boom, your thumbnail is done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the subscribe button for more unique tutorial. Thank you.